Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix device ban on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. When you try to log in your Snapchat account or try to create a new account, then it's showing that your device has been banned. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to create a new account, then you can use a different device. So okay guys, and if you want to log in your account, then you can also use the different device. Let me tell you that you can also use the different Wi-Fi network. Okay guys, because your device has been banned, or also your network maybe will be banned. Okay guys, so you have to use different network or different Wi-Fi connection, and just simply you have to use the different device. And if you don't want to use the different device and want to unban your device, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings. From here you have to scroll it down, then tap on general. From here guys, you have to scroll it down again, then tap on date and time. So you have to select your time zone. If your device is banned in the time zone, so you have to select a different one, then go back. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to VPN and device management, then you can connect with the VPN. Okay guys, and just simply select the other locations and then close this page. Now also you can change the date. Okay guys, so you have to change your date before a month. Okay guys, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open any browser in your phone and just simply contact with Snapchat support team. Just simply you have to search for help.snapchat.com. So you have to search for this help.snapchat.com, and after that you can see this type of interface. From here you have to check on I can't access my account. Let me check on that. Now wait some seconds. Now after that you have to scroll it down, and you can see here is the username part. So you have to put that username here, and here you have to put the email address associated with your Snapchat account, and here you have to put the phone number including your country code, and here you have to briefly explain that you want to log in your Snapchat account. Okay guys, and it's showing that your device has been banned, so you can tell them that you will not make mistake again. Okay guys, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, if problem still exists there guys, then you have to wait for 3 weeks or 6 months. So minimum you have to wait 3 weeks, and maximum you can wait 6 months to use your Snapchat account on that device. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.